We're gonna talk about the pattern day trading rule, turning day trades into night crawlers.
Did
PDT rule.
someone say pattern day trading rule?
You like turning day traders into night crawlers. I know you've been almost flagged with the PDT rule. I've been flagged with the PDT rule, so it's freaking sucks. So we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna mention about how to avoid the PDT rule with some it's very simple stuff, basic. But right now, for those who are not aware with the PDT rule,
Explain the pattern day trading rule, Luis.
accounts with less than $25,000 are limited to 3 day trades every 5 days. So they don't reset like every week, which I used to thought. I think you also thought the same, no? That every
Yeah, I
Monday.
messed up when I used to have like a Robinhood account. Yeah, they just randomly just not stop making me use my Robinhood account. But when I did, I had an issue with the pattern day trading rule over there. Yep.
Yep. So this is a basics of PDT rule. How to avoid PDT rule. It should be helpful for you. Do
Share the sauce. Share the sauce, Luis.
Cash accounts do not apply to PDT rule, but there's a negative side on it. You gotta use the full buying power, no margin, which literally sucks. So, what's your opinion on margin accounts? Do you like them? You don't like them?
Uh,
I think they're a great
they're
way.
cool, but yeah, I understand sometimes why it's like a slow learning curve for people, or why they try to promote a slower learning curve. Because if you don't know what you could doing, you can just jump in there and lose a lot of your paper. And like for most of the stuff that you should be doing as a beginner, though, you could probably get away with as a cash account. So you should probably just like if you starting off, play
Yeah.
around with cash accounts. I mean, play no. When you starting off, you probably should start with a cash account, and then you start figuring out more complex strategies. That's when you should probably uh, convert to a little like margin count.
Yeah.
When you start practicing like iron condors, selling a lot of premium, that's when you should probably get to
Personally,
doing.
I think that's a great way for traders to have more buying power and allow them to be more flexible with their trades. So I do like margin. It has some negative sides to it, but I think overall it's better than going with a cash account. Except if you have the money to go with a cash account, I don't know, just to say a number, but above 10K, I think that'll be a good amount of money for you to buy enough or good positions or trades.
And with cash accounts, like a lot of the positions you would be getting anyway with a margin account, since you can't afford them, you would just be getting the same equivalent type of position and just a less like liquid in terms of dollar value stock. So instead of just being in like a big company with a margin count, you would be like in the same type of moving, like same type of volatile stock, but it'll just be like a smaller market cap.
Yeah.
So you, yeah.
And the following Chukwu do not apply to PDT rule. So that's why I took 67 trades on Friday. You see, let me show you the date here. Well, yesterday, well,
It'll be bad walked in with Fitch, get you flight done.
67 with
Shut up, big
futures.
dude.
So futures, commodities, forex, and crypto do not apply to PDT. I do normally not trade forex, neither crypto. Last time I took like a week ago a position on Bitcoin here on Tasty, which was a little bit of fun. Have you bought crypto here on Tasty?
Nah, I got most of my stuff in a wallet I have, but when I this if or I don't know if this, yeah, I'm gonna share the rules. LOL. When did I even take? That's my YouTube picture.
When you get flagged, for those who don't know, what happens when you get flagged as a PDT, pattern day trader, that you take more than 3 day trades in 5 days? Well, now the account will be restricted. No new positions can be traded. No new position until balance is at least at $25,000. So before, which I think this new like restriction sucks. It used to be 90-day restriction on opening new trades with 3 flags per year. So you were restricted for 90 days, which also sucked. You were not able to buy nothing, only to close your existing positions. Right now, if you get flagged, there's no way in hell you can buy any stock or whatever. You will only the way to avoid that is to get above $25,000. So that's when you can get flagged.
Bro, I'm still over here
You
not
see that?
only like being like disappointed in this rule, I'm also thinking how I could turn my 120 into 40. We have 30 minutes. That's so possible. The
Wait,
market.
okay, we can get to that
Well, I'm
after
trying to
this.
think.
Okay, we can
The,
get to that after this.
oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, so you see this today's trade. Well, they were from Friday. I took total of 67 with zero on day trade counter, only trading futures, micro ES, which right now I took some positions.
Let's see
So
it. What's doing the best?
what?
What's doing the best?
What did you say?
No, no, you can continue.
Okay, okay. Well, I was trading only micro ES, micro NQ, Nasdaq. I don't really like NQ. Moves pretty fast, in my opinion, for me and what I like.
Mm,
So every point at $2. But yeah, this serum pattern day trading Chukwu. You should be trading these future commodities, forex, or crypto. I know you like crypto. I don't know if you like the rest of them. You won't get
futures
flagged.
are cool. Commodities cool. Those are cool assets. They cool assets.
Yeah. So yeah, you won't get flagged in any of these. And I don't know if there's a way to lobby to go against this PDT rule, which sucks. My accounts
I
personally.
wonder is does anybody try like is that I wonder if this like a young people issue that only care about it or yeah because I do wonder like does nobody else care about this like rule or what
They do it to protect traders.
yeah but if people like us I just wonder how many people like are like us and just like this it kind of annoys them or if it really is like a rule most people like
I think everybody hates it. Everybody
but
below 25K.
yeah
Hey man,
so
but
all the brokies
all the work like you and I.
yeah we
Hey,
hate this
not
rule.
not not all of us are called. Or last name is Coleman.
Yeah, that boy got paper. The Coleman's got paper.
Yeah,
Man,
buddy.
the Coleman's got paper.
Yes, yes.
Boy, you see them? They got ruby. You see they be having pointers in their ears. The Colemans. Oh man, I know this one. He got pointers.
Yeah, but hey, man, this is it for the PDT rule.